Dear students, today we shall discuss straight line motion mechanisms. So, as the name itself says, the mechanism it generates a straight line or it will plot a straight line. So, the easiest way to generate straight line motion mechanism is by using a sliding pair. But in precision machines, sliding pairs are not preferred because of wear and tear. So there will be wear and tear of the machine parts, so they won't prefer this type of mechanism. So hence in such cases different method are used to generate straight line motion mechanisms. So the two main types of straight line motion mechanisms are exact straight line motion mechanism and approximate straight line motion mechanism. So these two are different types of mechanisms that will plot a straight line. And in exact straight line motion mechanisms, there are three mechanisms. First one is Peculiar mechanism, Hart mechanism, and Scott-Russell mechanism. And similarly, in approximate straight line motion mechanism also, there are three different types of mechanisms. So they are Watt mechanism, Grasshopper's mechanism, Roberts mechanism, and Chebyshev mechanism. So here T is silent, so we have to spell it as Chebyshev. Now we shall see the first type of mechanism, that is exact straight line motion mechanism. So here the principle adopted for the mathematically correct or exact straight line motion is described in figure. So in figure the line BQ, it is the straight line, and the links are OP, OA, AP, and OB. These are the links. So let O be the point on the circumference of a circle of diameter OP. OP is the diameter, OB one point on the circumference of the circle. Let OA be any chord and B is the point on OA produced, such that OA into OB is equal to constant. So if we are going to multiply the product of OA and OB, so it will be constant. So that is what we are going to prove now. So let us take triangles OAP and OQB. So in triangle OAP, at point A the triangle is right angle, and in triangle OQB at point Q it is right angle. So these are similar triangles, and we shall take the ratio of OA by OP. OA by OP is equal to OQ by OB. So let us cross multiply this. OA into OB is equal to OP into OQ. So we'll take OQ is equal to OA into OB divided by OP. So here OP is constant because it is the diameter of the circle. So therefore if we multiply OA into OB, so it will be constant. Then OQ will also be constant. So hence OA into OB is equal to constant. OA into OB is equal to constant. The point B, it will plot a straight line along BQ which is perpendicular to the line OP. So point B moves along the straight line BQ which is perpendicular to OQ. Several mechanisms have been devised to connect A and B in such a way as to satisfy the above condition. So one among them is Peculiar mechanism. So now we shall see how does the Peculiar mechanism works. So in figure the mechanism is shown. Here it consists of links AO or OA is fixed, OQ there are many links OQ, AB, AC, QC, QB, BP and PC. We shall see the pin Q is constrained to move along the circumference of a circle by means of link OQ. The point Q is fixed. It is made to move along the circle of radius OQ. Here the length of link OA and OQ are same. The pins P and Q are of opposite corners of 4-bar chain which has all 4 links QC, CP, PB and BQ of equal length to fixed pin A. So here the links QC, CP, PB and BQ all are fixed length. They are all equal length. And link AB is equals link AC. So you can see from the figure, link AB is equal to link AC. The product AQ into AP remains constant as the link OQ rotates may be proved. So we are going to prove the product of AQ into AP is constant. So let us join BC to bisect PQ. We shall join BC to bisect PQ at point F from right angle triangles AFB and BFP. From right angle triangles AFB and BFP, we shall take the Pythagoras theorem, that is square on hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares on other two sides. So AB square is the hypotenuse, AB square is equal to AF square plus FB square. Similarly, in triangle BFP, BP square is equal to BF square plus FP square. So we shall subtract these two equations. AB square minus BP square is equal to AF square minus FP square. So FB square or BF square both are same, so they get cancelled. So the remaining is AF square minus FP square. So we shall take the mathematical formula, that is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So we have written AF minus FP into AF plus FP. So this will be from figure, let us see, AF minus FP is AQ, because FP is equal to FQ. So FP will be equal to FQ. So AF minus FP will be equal to AQ. Similarly, AF plus FP is equal to AP. So it is clearly from the figure we can see that AF plus FP is equal to AP. So since AB and BP are links of constant length, that is the links AB and BP, they are links of fixed length. They are not same. The link AB and BP, they are not same, but they are fixed. The product AQ into AP will be constant. So therefore the point P traces a straight line normal to AR. That is the point P, it traces a straight line PX which is perpendicular to AR. So this is an example of straight line motion mechanism. So in next video we shall discuss the next mechanisms. Thank you guys.